Hey, can I share something straight with you before anything else? There's a difference between audio you hear and audio you feel. The first time I heard a scene where sound moved around me, not just played at me, was the moment I knew my old speakers weren't enough. That same shift happens the moment you step up to the Reference R-26FA 5.1 home theater pack. This setup is for the kind of person who's done with weak dialogue, flat effects, and action that sounds compressed and lifeless. You know the frustration. You cue a favorite movie and something just feels missing. If you're nodding, take a moment and check the current price and stock now before either one changes. There was a night I hit play on a big blockbuster and my old system just didn't deliver the punch or depth it deserved. The sound was there, but it wasn't alive. When I switched to these Klipsch speakers, that was the moment it clicked: clean, room-filling audio that actually conveyed space and emotion. That relief, hearing every detail instead of guessing at it, is worth experiencing. Once you've lived with a system that truly opens up your soundstage, everything weaker feels disappointing. Dialogue becomes distinct instead of buried. Explosions and effects feel defined instead of muddied. Music feels rich instead of flat. That's not just specs, that's experience. Picture this: movie night where every whisper, score, and ambient detail feels present. Gaming where footsteps and cues come from around you. Music that doesn't just play but paints space you can sense. That kind of immersion changes how you enjoy everything you listen to. And here's something a lot of people don't expect. Once you hear what real nuance and clarity feel like, you start thinking backward about all the moments you settled for less. That's the kind of loss aversion that makes you realize you've been missing out more than you thought. Owning speakers like this doesn't just improve sound. It shifts how you live with audio in your space. You don't just turn on content, you step into it. Balanced, clear audio you can feel dialogue that stands out with precision, surround effects that wrap you in sound, dynamic depth across movies and music, a listening experience you look forward to. They're not tiny desktop speakers you can shove anywhere. Proper placement and room setup take a bit of thought. At some point you stop cycling through underwhelming options and choose the system that keeps pulling you back in your mind, the one you'll appreciate every time you sit down. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and later wish you'd jumped on when pricing and stock were favorable. If you're ready for sound that finally matches the emotion of what you're watching and listening to, check the Klipsch Reference R-26FA 5.1 home theater pack while it's still available. This is the jumping quality that makes every session feel worth it.